So the next and the last factor which affect on the nutrient uptake by roots is the release of ions into the xylem. So after radial transport through the symplast to the steel, ions and inorganic solutes are released into the xylem. This release into xylem is fully differentiated, non-living xylem vessels occur across the plasma membrane of the cell membrane parenchyma. So it means the release of nutrients. For example, if the nutrients they are coming into
ग्रुप से मैसेज डालवा ये सारे अटेंडेंस कॉल करके जाते हैं
and they are being accumulated in the root cells. If they are not released into the xylem, so it means their further uptake will be reduced because in the roots there will be very high concentration of those nutrients and there will be no capacity to take on more nutrients. So it means the release of or the rate of release of these ions into the xylem. So that is very important for the nutrient uptake. So how does this happen? We know that there are, for the movement of ions, so there are channels. These channels or transporters are also present in the epidermal cells and then also present where the loading need to happen into the xylem. And you can see here that almost all kind of these transporters, they are present here as well. And the process is very similar. That may be antagonistic or antipode with potassium and protons. Then we have also some specific sodium proton channel, sodium channel, which so you extrude sodium from xylem. If some sodium has been loaded into the xylem, that can be sent back to the cells as well, especially in those plants which are more resistant to sodium. So we have here proton pumps which can create the proton gradient. Non-selective channels are also present, and there are also some specific channels. So it means this release basically determines the uptake from the epidermal cell. So if this release is stopped somewhere or it is not efficient, and this will not be efficient as we have mentioned already that the uptake, the movement toward the shoot, our xylem say the nutrients, they are not moving upward to the shoot. So there will be higher concentration in this region and the release into this xylem will be reduced. So as the release is reduced, the uptake will also be. So that was all about today's lecture. If you have any question, you can ask from today's lecture. So if not, this is the end of your mid course and good luck for your exam.